Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2020 Civic SE. Now this is the 1 litre variant, and as you can probably notice, you do get the front parking sensors. You also get the 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in. And most importantly, the design pattern you do actually get on these alloys. But walking around the car to the rear, you also get your rear parking sensors as well. You then, in the boot, get plenty of room in here. You've also got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with this level just here. You also get a nice little pull-over privacy shelf as well, just to provide extra privacy for any belongings that are in the boot. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy here. In the back of the car now, you do get the cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points down the bottom. You also get electric windows all round as well. Jumping inside the car now, as you can see, you do get your electric handbrake with brake hold. You've then got a CVT gearbox in the middle with your ECON and your stop start on or off. You then get climate control in the front, as you can see just here, with full air conditioning. And then you do get your stereo in the middle, which has your Bluetooth hands-free. Also has your USB function, Bluetooth and US auxiliary. It has all the brilliant functions in there. You then have your DAB, low wave, medium wave and FM. Moving over to the steering wheel, we've got your audio controls on the left with your Bluetooth hands-free function. You then have your cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side. You've got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 32,096 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Honda Civic, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.